Hello everyone, this is Ajit Hussain. Today I have decided that I will speak in English through recording the videos. So this is my first day and there is a lot of mistake in my speaking English. So whenever you see my videos or watching my videos, so must tell me how to improve my English and who give your suggestions in the best way and write the comment in my under my videos. So in the last several days, I was thinking that how can I speak in English? Because I was watching many videos on the YouTube and many reading books. So there is no other communication way for me that I can communicate with the other person in English speaking. So this is my first day, and I want to speak in English through this is my own my idea that I will record my videos in English speaking and then I will upload on the YouTube. So when you watch my videos, so must tell me that how can I improve my speaking, my attributes and style. So when you give me the suggestions, then I will improve myself day by day. So this is my introduction. I am Sajid Hussain, working in Three in Education Foundation last since 2011. So currently I am working as an assistant manager ICT. So this is my short introduction. So I will continue speaking with you on day by day and different topics like education, IT and IT sector and future education, especially for kids in government schools and private schools. So what are the issues in education? So how can we improve in our education system? What are my suggestions and what are the government take steps in IT sector? So my department is specifically is consisting on IT department, and I am working in IT sector. That's why I will speak on this topic. So must comment my videos how you feel my spoken English. Thank you.